Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day, staying safe and all that fun. I had got my hair cut today at Great Clips, and there you have to wear a mask the whole time, and you can only have 3 people waiting at one time. So if you are going to get your hair cut at Great Clips, the suggestion would be to do the check-in, because yesterday there was a 3-hour hold time, and today it wasn't too bad. It was about 51 minutes, less than an hour, but that was because I did the check-in. So just a little tip there for you. Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure you hit the bell. I do a lot of vintage, Louis, Chanel, and so much more. So anyways, and if I have my returning subbies, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. Alright, so today I have a video regarding my LV Toiletry 19 and 15, what it fits, etc. And then I did throw in a few of my other cosmetic pouches that I use as alternatives, basically. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this is my pre-loved, and this is a Toiletry 19, and that means it has 19 centimeters across. And it's all one canvas. One's upside down, one's right side up, kind of like the Speedy. And it's also made in France. And it's in pretty good condition. It's not, these have a tendency to flake and peel and get really sticky because they have the wipeable lining. So what I would also suggest, if you're going to go pre-loved, you either can go all the way sticky and have a project piece where you can take out the lining, or you could pay a little bit more money and get one that's in good condition. So there's different ways that you can handle the sticky. And if you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be more than happy to do that for you, because you can save hundreds of dollars by doing it yourself, and it's a little tedious, but you can do it, and there is alternatives. Alright, so this is the Toiletry 19. I also have the Toiletry 15. This is made in France. It's in pretty good condition. This was a project piece that I got from Japan. This was only $47, and this was way more than that. And they're very hard to get from LV. I know I've been trying to find the 26 and no luck. And even on Fashion File, they're way above retail, and I'm not going to do that for pre-loved. So anyways, those are the 2 that I have. And then here's my alternatives. This I got at Shoppers Drug Mart for $3. It works really good. You can wipe it off. It's great for camping. It's great for anything that you want to use it for, basically. And it's clear through. You can see all your stuff, and you can wipe it down. So this is the one that I've been using in the pandemic in my Loungefly Small World Disney mini backpack, which looks like this. And that's what I've been using in the pandemic, because you can just wipe this off, and you don't have to worry about getting the sanitizer and all that on your good bags. So that's what I've been doing, and I've been taking this with me. So that's been working out pretty good. This is also a very old, which is in excellent condition, 1980s Coach Graffiti line. It's like a mini pochette. It's a little bit bigger, and it holds quite a bit of stuff. So you can also use this too. This is coated canvas. You can wipe this off, but I haven't been taking any of the coated canvas or anything like that because I'm scared of the sanitizer's gonna wreck my stuff, so I just take the alternatives basically. But this is a good one to use, or any style from Coach is excellent to use as well. All right, so let's go ahead and see what fits in the Toiletry 15. This will fit in, I would say, any bag, even some of the mini bags, but the really micro mini stuff, no, obviously, but this is a great piece to have. If you can't get the 19, then definitely get the 15. All right, and that's made in France as well. Okay, has a pretty good zipper on it. This one was completely trashed inside. It had all the sticky. So I cleaned that all out, and I used leopard duct tape, and I lined it with that. And this one, like I said, was only $47. And this one retails, I think, for $400 and something Canadian. Okay, so I got lipstick, Juicy Tube, eyeliner, lip balm, Band-Aids, eyeshadow, Band-Aids, like I said, lip gloss, Juicy Tube, lipstick, eyeliner, and you could probably put some more stuff in there, but that's what the inside looks like. And to take all the sticky out and to put the leopard duct tape in there took me about, I would say, a good day to take out the sticky, because it's kind of a process. And you have to let it dry and that kind of thing. And then the duct tape, you just cut it to size, basically. And it works out really good. And you save a lot of money by doing that. And if you don't care about the inside, you definitely want to care about the outside. Make sure it's not ripped or torn or anything like that. I mean, it works out like perfectly. All right, so that's what fits in the 15. And like I said, you could, I'm sure you could get like more stuff in there, because you can still, see, you can still zip it up. There you go. All right, let's see what fits in the 19. This one has excellent lining, but this was not $47. But it was still a good price. All right, so I have my Dior eyeshadow, lip eyeliner, Dior mascara, Chanel lipstick, tweezers from Avon. I have, you know, one of those eye pencil sharpeners. Primer for your lips through MAC. Dior eyeshadows. Black eyeliner. Blush from Dior. More Dior. This is the eyeshadow palette. And a cool thing is, if you don't want to do the duct tape scenario, you can always order a little Samorga. And this one fits the Toiletry 19, and it has one slot there. It has another slot there, and then it has 2 slots on the end. I don't know if you can, yeah, there you go. And these also fit in smaller bags. So this one also fits in my small Fendi. And then I also have another Toiletry 15 that I completely, it was sticky as well. I think that was $57, or it was under 100. And I took out all the sticky out of that, and I coated it, and then I have a Samorga for the Toiletry 15 as well. So I use this in this, even though the lining is in good condition, I still use it in this because I don't want it to get ruined. I don't want it to get dirty. Plus, all your stuff isn't just jammed in there. You can organize it through the actual Samorga organizer. So, I mean, you can't beat it. And they go in, they fit like perfect. Super easy. All you do is take it out, you put it in like this, put it in like that, bingo, you got it. And then you can just organize all your makeup. You can put anything you want in this, basically. Some people even use this as like a catch-all. Some people have been getting those conversion kits and using a strap, and they make it into a little purse. I mean, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. And they stand up and they last for a long time. So they're hard to get. Even a new one, I feel, is worth the money. But if you can get them for 1/3 of the price, pre-loved, in good condition, then definitely do that. If you're going to go the pre-loved route, make sure that you get them authenticated, because there's a lot of fakes, so you don't want to be buying fakes. Alright, so that's my comparison among the Toiletry 19 and 15. Some alternatives for you. Samorga, love Samorga. I wish that I was sponsored, but I'm not. Everything that I get, I pay for. I don't get anything for free. So if I do, I let you know about it. Alright, so that's my comparison for today. I hope it was helpful. Leave me any comments below. Stay safe, if I can say that. It's kind of a hard word for me. And thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Thanks for watching.